Today we're going to change the engine oil on this Mazda MX-5 Miata. I'm doing this oil change on a 1993 MX-5 with a 1.6 litre engine, but this process is essentially the same for all NA and NB chassis MX-5s, and is in fact actually pretty similar for any other car out there too. The tools you will need to change your oil are a drain pan to catch your waste oil, a funnel to make refilling easier, paper towels or rags to wipe up any mess, a socket or spanner to undo your sump plug, and some gloves to keep your hands clean, and don't forget a jack and jack stands. You will also need a jug of oil and an oil filter. I went with this 10W40 synthetic oil. Oh, and don't forget a new sump plug crush washer. Let's get to work. Step 1 is to start the car and let it warm up for 5 to 10 minutes. This helps increase the oil viscosity so it drains easier. Step 2 is to get the car up on jack stands. You can usually safely do this while the car is warming up, but do always take caution when using a car jack. Most critically, never get under a car that is held up purely by a hydraulic jack. For step 3, we need to get our oil drain pan down underneath the engine, and then we can get dressed in our gloves and climb under there with the spanner and undo the sump plug. In my case, this required a 19mm spanner. Undo the sump plug and allow all the waste oil to drain into the pan. On to step 4, it's time to get back up top and open up your oil cap. Might seem odd, but this will actually aid the draining process. Then for step 5, it's time to remove the old oil filter which lives underneath the intake manifold. You can choose to either remove it by accessing from above, or remove the front right wheel and get to the filter from underneath. Personally, I prefer getting to the filter from up top. Before removing the old oil filter, you may want to place some rags down to try and catch some of the spills. Then get all intimate with your Mazda, throw your hands deep inside and unthread that oil filter. With the old filter in the bin, step 6 is to prep the new oil filter by lightly coating the seal with some fresh engine oil. Then it's time to get this new filter straight onto the side of the engine where the old one used to live. Thread the oil filter on by hand. No need to use any tools to install the new oil filter, only tighten it by hand. Step 7. Now back to the sump plug. Give it a clean and inspect for any damage. If it's all in good order, apply your new sump crush washer, and then it's time to head back underneath the car. Reinstall your sump plug onto the engine and tighten with your spanner or socket until it's good and snug. If you want to use a torque wrench, which you should, specs are on the screen now. Step 8, and we can get out from under the car and take the drain pan with you. Be sure to dispose of the old engine oil thoughtfully via your local waste disposal site. Time now to fill the engine with nice, tasty, fresh new oil. So for step 9, grab your funnel and start pouring. The MX-5 engine takes around 4 litres, so I usually pour about 3 to 3.5 litres, then check the dipstick a few times, adding 100ml increments of oil at a time until the dipstick reads nice and full. Once she's all topped up, remove the funnel and don't forget to replace the oil cap. Finally, for step 10, you can drop the car back down onto its wheels. Now would be a great opportunity to triple check that dipstick. Then, time to close up the bonnet. Your oil change is done. Thanks very much for watching.